that?
Uh-huh. Wow.
And there's no flour after this. It gets compressed into a 1,500 pound bale. And if you want to do the flyby, you'll have to roll up your window because it's dusty.
Okay.
But we'll act like we own the place. That's Oregon CBD, and you can see how clean it picked.
Yeah.
All of that was the sours. So that's sour lifter, sour space candy, sour suba haze was what's picked over there, and also what's picked directly in front of us. So they help feed this in.